All right, thank you, ma'am. Let us start with, we start with paper 2. Let me see, where is it? I think the rest are going in a little bit slow. Okay. Naomi is coming in. There's Naomi. Come disappear. Okay. Let us try paper 2. Because this paper is the one that we need to do problem sums. Problem. Can we try this one? Question number 1, please. Question number 1. Can Naomi, can you see Naomi? Come, turn on the video. Come. Let us. Muffins. You all know what the muffins, yeah? Muffins are on offer in a shop. One muffin, $1.80. You buy 3, you get 8 for $5. So if you buy one by one, it is expensive. You pay 180 plus 180. You can use your calculator for this one, please. Please do. Okay, use your calculator for this particular one. This is paper 2. Okay, Naomi, got a calculator? Can you try? Come on. Putra, where are you, Putra? Putra, Prince, come back, Prince. Where are you going, Prince? I cannot see you. Putra. Allah. Let's try. Okay, in 2 minutes. Putra, where are you, Putra? No, I'm shouting too loud in this place. What are you doing, mister? Please try this. Come on, Mr. Putra. I hope you understand the question. In 2 minutes' time, we will have to explain the question. Ding. Let us see, we got our first answer here, which is, so it's $30.60 or $30. Okay, let us see. What about Mr. Putra? Have you done it? Can do that. Okay, let's say now I just want you to see, if you buy at 180 each, how much is it? It's 3 times 180, let's say. Putra say $15. Let us see whether. So 180 with times, how much is it you got to pay? 3 times 1.8 is equals to $5.40. Means if you don't buy in three, you buy one by one by one. They say, Auntie, can I have one muffin? Yes, Auntie, can I have one muffin again? And you got to pay $5.40. But if you buy three in one packet, $5. Can you see it's cheaper? So you're gonna buy 17. 17, how to buy? You got 5, 1, no, not 5, sorry, not 5, 3, yeah? 3 in one packet, another 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 3 in one packet. How many are you? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If you buy another 3, how much is it? You get 18, you know. 15 plus 3, 18. So you cannot buy another 3. What must you do? You must buy 1 and then another 1. Then becomes 17. Can you see now? So these 3 you must buy in packet of 3. How many packets you buy? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 first. 5 times 5, $25. You know, Mr. Putra. This is for 15. And then you're going to buy 2 of this. So 2 is 180. 180 times 2. How much you get? 180 times 2, you get $3.60. Am I correct? 1.8 times 2, 360, yeah? 360. Then you plus them together lah. $25 plus 360. How much you get? $28.60. How, Naomi, you understand? You understand? Putra, you understand also? You have to count in threes lah. This one you must know this skill because next time you're gonna buy from the shops. What? In fact, now already you buy from the shop, but next time you might buy for your whole family. You see? Your family, maybe your cousins, Haraya and Abai. You do not know how to count. How? You must know how to count. This is a life skill. Eh? You must know how to count. You can say, I don't want. You must learn. The people tipu you. Eh? Okay. What percentage of the figure is shaded? In order to do percentage, you find out what fraction first. You find out what fraction of figure is shaded, then times by 100, then you get percentage. Okay? Clue number 2, divide into triangles. Putra or Naomi, if you want to write on the screen, please carry on. If you want to do a cut, you want to cut the figure, can cut. Naomi, you want to cut? Putra want to cut? Whoever want to cut can cut. See, what is he talking? Cut. You can cut into a triangle lah if you want. Can you see now? And then you can count, you see? Because this one is square, this one is triangle. So you cut lah. Or you want me to cut for you? I'll cut for you lah. So you count the number of triangles. Change it to fraction first, then from there times by 100 to your fraction. You will get percentage. You can use calculator, no problem. No problem.
Need to count all.
Yeah, you need to count all. 2, 4, 6, 7, 4. Okay, Putra said 30%. Now let's see. There are 30 triangles inside here lah, for sure. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Sorry, this one, I mean, you imagine this one is 30, yeah? So, what about Miss Naomi? Okay. So this one is 30. So count the shaded one. How many shaded parts are there? Naomi can do? Can, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You mean how many? What's your percent? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No. Shaded is 12. 12 over how many? Total how many? We counted 30 already. So this is your fraction. What do? You just, now you mean say 30 so. Okay, watch. Now what do you do? Down here, watch. 12 over 30 times by 100. And most probably you're correct. Maybe you're correct, maybe not. Cancel 0, cancel. 12 divided by 3 is 4, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 times 10, 40%. If you don't believe, can you put this in your calculator? 12 over 30 times 100. You get 40% or 30%? 40%, right? You'll get 40%. Yes, sir. So you just need to count, write it as a fraction. So what's a fraction? Fraction is 12 over 30. Just times by 100, you get the percentage. If they don't write like that, they say, what fraction of the figure is shaded? So answer is 12 over 30, but must reduce to lowest terms. Divide by 2. Divide by 2, you get 15. Then can divide by 3, you get 2. Divide by 3, you get 5. This is now the fraction. You take this fraction in times by 100, so you get 40%. Okay, never mind, we move on. You must know how to do this. This is paper 2. So trapezium, yes. Okay, you try angle. They want you to find ADB. ADB. This one down here, they want you to find out here. This one, they want to find this one. Don't worry, we'll do together. Don't worry. Okay, but you'll try first. Yeah, where are you? Should be, Gosh, Putra says it's 85%. Let us see what is correct. What about Nayumi? Okay, no problem. Let us go one by one. We want to find this one. This one is parallel to this. So let us see. I'm going to draw for you a line. You must be able to see this. So let's say now this is line like that. Then it goes down like that. Then you go down that. Can see it. This one now down here. Hold on. Let our sister in. Hold on. Our sister is coming in. Sister, but she's eating, so she requested for permission to turn off the camera. I said, okay. Okay, so her camera will be off because she tengah kunyah makanan. So down here now is 109. Okay, you must remember when you have two parallel lines and a line connecting, these two will add up to 180. These two angles. So you want to find this angle, 180 minus 109. I'm drawing this. I am now erasing this. I imagine we cannot see this. We don't see this. Imagine first. I remember the horse must not be able to see the whole thing. Now you imagine you see like that. I'm only now showing you this part here, down here. So then how? You take 180 minus 109. What do you get? You will get 71. You minus, I get 71. So down here is 71. So Putra cannot, this small angle here cannot be 80 something. It's smaller than 71. So how to do this one? Okay, come, we do this one. Now let us look at this triangle here. This one you understand is whole thing is 71. Both of you understand? Yes, right? Naomi, you understand? Naomi, this one whole thing is 71, Can you see down here? These two must add up to 180. This plus this 180. So this one is 71. Now you want to find this angle. If we can find this angle 71 minus this angle can give you this yellow angle. So let us now put the horse like a horse. We put the blinkers on. We don't look at this one now. This one we don't look now. Imagine don't have like imagine. This one is what triangle is this? Isosceles, right? Can you see it's isosceles? These two are the same, you know. How to find one of these? 180 minus what? Minus 84. When you minus 84, you will get 96. 96 is for these two angles here. 1 and 2. And they are the same. Can you see now, Naomi, this sign? This one means these two angles down here are the same. This one is the same as this one. How much is this two? 96. How we get 96? This angle plus this angle plus this angle equal 180. 180 minus 84, you get 96. 96 for this and this. Next step, take 96 divided by 2. When you divide by 2, how much you get? You get, I use calculator, so 96 divided by 2. 48. Now we know this one is 48 degrees. This one is also 48 degrees. Okay, now let us find the last one. Watch. Now you can see now. How to find? Now you take 71 minus 48, you can get the yellow one. That's how we get the last part. 71 minus 48. How much is it? 23. Okay, so this answer down here is 23. Can you see how we do now? Okay, never mind. You have more practice, but you must try to practice on your own. So remember, this plus this, if it's parallel, add up to 180 degrees. This one is isosceles. Two angles the same. So after you minus, you get 96 divided by 2. Okay, we move on. Because 6 o'clock, the rest are coming. You try now. Read carefully. Do you want you to find TRU? No? Yeah, go. Please go. TRU is here. Come on, Putra, you can do it, Putra. Square. Straight line. This parallel. Yeah. Okay, please write. Please draw. Who is it? Shaki. Assalamualaikum, Sheikh. Come. Why are off camera, Shafia? Assalamualaikum, Sheikh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Come. Let us try this angle question. Come on, you are champion. Don't on the camera, all of you. Okay, all turn on the camera. Shafia, once you finish eating, must on the camera. Because if not, also our Putra also want to on camera. Yeah.
Aja.
Yeah, I know. Pakai baju. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna run through.
Naked before.
Don't show. Nanti ada. Oh, you got no hijab. Pakailah hijab. Why you don't pakai hijab? Okay, down here. Putra can see that. Sing. Okay, never mind. Then today you off your video, Shafia. Down here now. Putra, how much is this? This one down here. Okay. Alamak. How much is this one down here? This green one here. How many degrees? Can you see not see? Sing, sing, sing. This one must be how much? Zoro. Zoro, the same.
57.
57. Then this one 90 degrees lah. So you can find the whole thing. So what's the answer? 57 plus 90 yeah. So 90 degrees apa? What's your answer? Come on, guys, guys and girls, girls, guys, girls. Plus 7, 14, 147 degrees. Can or not?
Only that.
Yeah, that's it. That's all. Sometimes the difficulty is in our head. Remember, I showed you Harry Houdini before, right? Did I show you Harry? No. I showed this guy. I think I showed you lah. You forgot. This guy, Harry Houdini. Where is he? Harry Houdini nama. Where is it? Harry Houdini. This person, I showed you before lah. You forgot. This guy, remember not? He is an escape artist. They will put him in chains. They will put him on the boat, then they will throw him to the sea. You know? Sometimes you see down here, he will be able to escape. He's called an escapologist. Sometimes they hang him upside and ask him to escape. So they send him, see, they throw him into the water. You can see now. Then under the water, he tried to escape. So one day, what they do? They send him to Alcatraz. Alcatraz, what is Alcatraz? This prison, huh? What is Alcatraz? Alcatraz, if you know, is in the US. It's an island where the prisoners are sent and they say, this island, no one has escaped before. So Harry Houdini was put inside the cell, right? And asked to escape. What happened? He tried all sorts of key. And then he got very tired, cannot open. This is what I heard in a lecture. I do not know how true. And then he pingsan, he hit the gate down here. The gate just opened up because the door was never locked. It was locked only in his head. So sometimes for mathematics, it's the same thing. You think it's difficult, but actually it's not difficult. It's in your head only. You are in the prison of your mind. This guy, he talks about the prison of your mind. Okay, prison of
Teacher,
yeah.
you do, if you say that that is not locked, right? Then why he cannot just pull it?
Open. Because if you try your door, your door to the house, you don't lock it, but you think it's locked. You try to use the key to open, but you cannot open. Huh? You try. If you think that some doors are like that, maybe not all doors, some locks. You see, they say the hardest prison, jail to escape is your own mind. Don't be a prisoner of your own mind. Why is it? You have the wrong ideas. You say maths is difficult. Then in the end, you can never succeed. Not only maths, life. Now, see, this person, hiding behind this person is a person who is jailed inside the mind. You are stuck in the mind. Just like I told you about the elephant in the wire. Okay, but with the rope around the neck, I really showed you right last time. Okay, let's try the next one. Down here now, which ribbon has its length nearest to the average? No, don't want this one. Don't want this one. We do one more. Maybe we do angle lah. Angle, no more angle. Angle, tak lagi. Angle, no more. Okay, we do paper one then. Hold on, because the rest are coming in shortly. I just want you to see and try.
Yeah.
Can you try this, please? You are allowed to use your calculator, no problem for this one. Read carefully, eh? Who's that? Kakak singing. Apalah, everyone turn on the video. I'm all alone down here. I'm not at home. No. Shafia has given an answer. A, B, D. Shafia, do you think this is more than 90 degrees? It's a very small angle, 90 degrees, 90 degrees down here. It's a small angle. How can it be more than 90? Something is wrong. Something is wrong. Remember equilateral triangle, remember that? One side Samad Syakil. Equilateral triangle, one side Samad Syakil. I draw equilateral triangle. Huh? This one, like that. Come on. 44. Okay, we check. The equilateral triangle means what? The angles are all the same. How much is it? 180 divided by 3, you get 60. Okay, Putra say 44, so let's see whether he's correct. And Shafia say 44, so let us see whether they're correct. This one is 60. This one is 60. This one is 60. Why equilateral triangle? You understand equilateral? All sides equal. Take 180 divided by 3. So this is equilateral. Down here is 60. Down here, the whole thing is also 60. Yeah? So this one is less than 60. Down here, 60 so. Let us see. And then down here is 44. How do we know 44? This plus 90 plus this is 180. Can see now? 1, 2, 3 must add up to 180. So take 180 minus 90, you get 90. Minus 46, you get 44. So both 44 is this part down here. We want this part down here. The whole thing is 60. Come on, the whole thing is 60. You know one part already. The whole thing hijau 60 lah. Semuanya 60 kat sini. This one is 44. 44 plus what equals to 60? 44 plus what equals to 60? Take 60 minus 44. What do you get? Ladies and gentlemen, Izzat, are you okay, Izzat? You cut your hair, Izzat. You look handsome, Izzat. Tell me the barber. I want to go to the barber also. Okay, 60 minus 44, you get 16 degrees. This is 16 degrees. So you must understand equilateral means all three angles are the same. Whenever they tell you equilateral, it's automatically 60 degrees. But you must understand where 60. This is 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. The whole thing is 60 degrees. Then Putra and Shafia found that this is 44. But they're going to write answer this 44. No, this one is 44. 60 minus 44, you get 16. Okay? We will now, okay, let me call the rest while I give you another question while I go and call the rest. This one cannot use calculator. This one now. Number 90. 19. Cannot use calculator. Wow, really? Is that? Thank you very much. But how? Maybe one of these days, if I'm going there, I meet up with you. Okay, let me just call the rest. Umaira, I need her to come. Okay, wow. Izzat, you have given. Izzat cannot be 90%. Putra, congratulations. Let me think. I think most probably your answer is correct. Putra, congratulations. Well done. Izzat is too big. If 90% must be close to 25. Very simple. This one, whenever you get a fraction, you want to change to a percentage, you just times by 100. Or you times the bottom to make it 100. Make the denominator 100. Come on, Shakil, what about you, Shakil? Come on. Please. Shakil, come on. Share. Very simple again. I repeat. Wow, now our sister is coming now. New sister. Okay. Well done, Izzat. Well done. Okay, Shafia says don't know. Okay, very simple. Whenever you have a fraction, you want to change percentage, just times by 100. Finish. You times by 100, you will get percentage. Divide by 25, you get 1. Divide by 25, you get 4. You try to memorize. 13 times 4, 52. Method number 1. Method number 2, you can also change the denominator. You can also change the denominator to 100. How to change to 100? You times the 24 by 4. This one also you times by 4. So you get 52 over 100. 52 over 100 means 52%. Okay, percentage is denominator of 100. This is the same. This is the same. Okay. I hope you're all right. No?
Why is that echo?
Echo, because I'm in my office. Now you can see my office here.
I cannot. Oh.
Can you see?
Why the office so small?
Yeah.
I thought office with a lot of people.
It's an office for one person. One person only. I'm just doing here. This is my cave, you know. I need a place to run away from my family members and all other people so that I can do writing. Now I'm right. Where's my office? It's in Mountbatten Square. Mountbatten Square.
I feel like it's fake.
Sorry?
I feel like it's fake.
Fake.
Yeah,
You say fake, yeah? Okay, I'll show you. Oh, this one doesn't believe in the teacher fake. Fake teacher. Okay, now. Can you see?
No, we cannot see anything.
Now I can see. Can see now.
Why you all not wearing mask?
Who? Okay.
Why everybody not wearing mask? This one nobody can say this one was before Corona. This one
What?
is Zoom.
What are you talking about? Who?
Why
Everyone?
nobody wearing mask over there? The office. Two people standing beside each other not wearing mask at all. Then students cannot stand beside each other, need to wear mask some more.
I think you've just caught those two persons not wearing masks now. And some of this one is recorded. Anyway, so this is not my house. This is my office where I write books.
Everybody can tell it's not your house because there's no 4 whiteboards behind you.
So bad. Okay, let's go. Okay, now we are going to revise for your exam. All right, so we are going to start. Are you ready? I hope you are ready. Again, we start with basic. Later on, we'll go to difficult stuff. The last 20 minutes will be difficult. Okay, so this one is like speed round now. Okay, come. Don't say out answer, please. Type in the answer. Tell us the answer. You can do it. You can do it. Wow, Izzat, let's see whether you're correct. Well done, Mr. Izzat. Well done, Shalina. Putra, you got to check. That is 9, Putra. That one is 9. You are given an answer for digit 9. We want digit 7. What about the rest? Come on. Umaira, what about... okay, well done, Umaira. Well done, Umaira. Well done, Putra. What about the rest? Come on, what about the rest?
Sure, I sent my answer already.
You send where? Oh, Shafia, well done, Shafia. Yes, well done. Sorry, Okay, so now down here, we just write the number 7, and then we copy 7, 0, see the, then you can read your number, 70,000, 10,000, 10,000. Well done.
Number 2, right, sir?
Number 2, yes, right. Okay. But don't say out the answer for the others, because we do not want the rest to feel frustrated. Sometimes when you want to do, then someone, even the tutor, tell the answer, the student get frustrated. I have one student, the student tell me, please don't tell me the answer. Okay, can you try? Question number 2. Well done, Putra. First to come in. Very confident. Come on, what about the rest? Shalina, please check, sir. Shalina. Yours is 5,030,000. We want 5,300,000, Miss Sharina. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I will turn into a mouse if you do not.
Did you know you already started recording?
Yes, I've started recording. Serena, well done. We are waiting for you, Umaira, Naomi, Shakil. Izzat, well done. What about the rest? Come on, come on, come on. What about the rest? Come on, hari lah, hari. Hari, hari. Hey, Umaira, don't do that. Don't play a fool at this girl. Hey, your exam coming now. Okay. And one way to find out the answer. JK joking. Look, 209. 9. Shafia say 1. Okay, Shafia. Hold on. 0. Can you see? If you look at the back, you can also see. The last one is 9. So this 209 is out. This one, 0 is out. It's either one of these two. Then you see, 5 million. Okay, all of them got 5 million. Okay, good. 320,000. This is 30,000. 302,000, 320, yes, 320,000 down here. Some 329,000. So there are ways you can break it up. You can break it up. All right. Then you check for it. You can do it. Come on. Okay, question number 3. Read carefully. This is how many hundred less than 1 million? Come on, Ayu. No using calculator, please. Shakil, where are you? What are you doing, Shakil? Shakil, come on, try Shakil. Putra, no. 1 million, got 60, no. Shalina, well done. 1 million has 6 zeros. Well done, Putra. Just take 1 million minus this lah. Sorry. So sorry, Putra. I think you are right, Putra. You gave. Sorry. Putra, I think could be correct. The first answer. Izzat, please check. Shalina, please check. Because there is this down here. Look, I myself got 3. So let us see whether Putra is correct the first time. Putra, your answer is correct. Congratulations. Your first answer, Putra, is correct. I do not know whether you get it by fluke. You know what's the meaning of fluke? By luck. No. Not that one, Shafia. No. Okay, we take 1 million first. Okay. I do not know whether Putra got it by luck or whether he knows that's the answer. Okay. This one now, you minus this. Your answer should be what? 750,000. That's what you get. But the answer is not 750,000 because they use the word hundreds on here. So is 750,000. So now 750,000 is the answer if you don't have this word. If you don't have this word, 250,000 is 750,000 less than 1 million. This is correct. But now they put hundreds here. So what does it mean? How many hundreds is this? 100 got 2 zeros. Cancel 1, cancel 2. So 7,500 hundreds. Why 100? You add another 2 zeros at 100? Yeah. This one now is inside here. So the answer is number 2. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now here, let's say now, if the answer is 10, this is the same as 110. If let's say the answer is the 100s, let's say 300s is the same as 300s. Can you see now? We remove the 0 now. The answer is now 75000. So how many hundreds is this? Down here we cancel 2 zeros, become 300. So we cancel 2 zeros, 7,500. 500 hundreds. One more zero there. I hope you understand what I'm saying, eh? Hundreds. So well done to Putra's first answer. Do you know the answer? Was it fluke? I know. How can you say I do not know? I know many things. Okay, please change it to meters then. So be careful during your exam, they will trick you that way, okay? Change it to meters, meters, meters. Oh, very fast and very correct, Mr. Putra. You're very fast and very correct. Alhamdulillah. Come on, Naomi. Some of you, when you grow up, you want to make dresses and whatnot. You must know all this. How many cm, how many meters? Then you say, I want 20 cm for my dress. Then the person asks you, are you having a paper doll or real doll or what? Well done, Miss Umaira. Well, Izzat, you got to check. Naomi, you got to check. Those of you who say number 2, you think 1 meter is 1000 cm. Hello, 1 meter is 100 cm. So you need to divide by 100 lah. Divide this by 100. Don't divide by 1000. You divide by 1000 is not kilometer, no. So you get 4, number 4. You shift 1, shift 2, put a dot here. 20.28 eh. Please, all this you got to know. This is got to be considered easy for you. Hold on. Okay, number 7. Remember what I say, you want to find the percentage, you write the fraction first. Fraction of x she used is equals to what she used over the total number of x. Then you times by 100, you get percentage. Write the fraction first. Well done, Izzat. Izzat got it. Congratulations. Can or not? Oh, Putra, give an answer. Putra, you give, your percentage is correct for the number of x left. Umaira, your answer is correct for the number of x left. They didn't ask you a number of x left. They asked you for the percentage of x she used. So write it as a fraction. How many x? Okay, we will see whether this is correct. How many x you have in total? Well done, Putra. How many x you have at first? How many? You must take both of these plus lah. She used 4x. She got 16x left. Total is how many? Total 20. Is 20. How many she used? 4. Well done, Shafia. So this is the fraction.
3 times 5. Then on top of also can times 5.
Yes, okay. So there's Putra's side. Putra give method number 2. You want to change to percentage, you times it by 5 to make 100. Times it by 5. Possible. Then you get 20 over 100. 20 over 100 is 20%. Or you can use this method. Just times the fraction by 100. Divide by 2, you get 2. Divide by 2, you get 1. 2 times 10, 20%. Please, you must remember, you must write down the fraction first. What is fraction? Fraction is, you must know, our fraction is always P over W. You know what it is now? P is part.
Whole.
Over whole, yes. So whole is everything. Everything we plus together 20, below 20. Part is what part did they ask you? Did they ask you left or use? They say use. So must put the 4 on top. This is a fraction. So you can reduce. If they ask you what fraction, they can change the question. What fraction of x is you? Then it's 420. But we need to reduce to lowest terms. Sometimes you can say, what decimal? This is very rare. Then you get the answer is 0.2. How you get 0.2? Down here you can change to 0.2 lah. But anyway, we are not going there. Okay, we are moving on, moving on. Okay. This one now. A shop sold soaps. This is a tongue twister. A shop sold soaps in a packet of 6. Mrs. Miriam paid $9 for 12 soaps. How much would she pay for 36 soaps? You must understand this one. You cannot buy any other number. You only can buy in number 6 only. One packet is 6. Well done, Umaira. You come in first. Congratulations. Well done. I told you, put your mind to it, you can conquer the whole world. No? She said, I want to conquer the whole world. I want to. Is that well done? Those who are confused, I'll write the steps for you so that you can see. This is the comparison method. 12 soaps, $9. You want 36. How many dollars? Times what? You do the same here. Times what? Times what? How come this is lari? Yeah? Times by 12 times what? Equals 36. 12 times 3. You don't believe? 2 times 3, 6. 1 times 3, 3. You must also times 3 down here. 9 times 3, you can use your fingers, 27. Well done, Sharina. Okay. All right. Move on. Don't understand. This one you must learn. Ratio. Wow, very fast. Who is this? Kutra, Umaira. Okay, let me see. I have not calculated. You all have already solved. I'm still trying to process it. Okay, let's see. Too fast, too fast. Both Putra and Mera not correct. You must find out the method. I will draw the model for you, for those of you who require model. Oh, no, sorry. The model tak jadi lah. If you need model lah. Izzat, so sorry, Izzat, that's not the right answer. In fact, we check. This one now, who has more? You must ask yourself now, who has more? Elaine got more, you know. So what is the ratio now? Diana to Elaine. Diana to Elaine. Elaine got more. So the one that Elaine got less is out. This one is out, right? Elaine got less. Elaine got more. So Elaine got less or more? Elaine got less lah. Elaine 4, Diana 5. They tell you Elaine received more than Diana. So from the ratio, you can see what Elaine is more. Elaine is more. Okay, now we work it out. Can you see now? This one Elaine less, so we know it's out already. You don't even need to calculate. You just look at it. Now, so this one is Diana. Elaine, like that, I draw, same thing, Elaine. How many more? Plus 6. The whole thing is how many? 48. Step 1, minus the 6. 48 minus 6, what do you get? You will get 42. So what is 42? Now the model changed already. You minus the 6. This now is 42, now it become 42. Because we already minus the 6. Then step 2, what do you do? 42 divide by 2. You get 21. So what is 21? This one is 21. Elaine also 21. But remember, Elaine have 6 more, So what is the ratio? 21 is Diana. Elaine is 21 plus 6, 27. But you see, you got no answer. Must reduce, divide by 3, you get 7. Divide by 3, you get 9. This one here. Okay. I hope you can see how I did this now. Okay, we move on. We move on. We move on. Okay, good try. If you can understand the explanation, very good. Now this one, average. Can you try, please? Go. Please go. Putra, please go, Putra. Congratulations, Isa. Congratulations. What about the rest? Come on. Myra, you gotta check. Never mind, we're gonna go through shortly. Never mind, okay. What about the rest? Okay. Myra and Shafia, your answer is correct for two wallets. But they want you to find the average cost of the wallet, one wallet. So this is one, do you want one wallet? How? Two, let's see. Okay, we do. Down here, see now one by one. First of all, there's two belts, two wallets. We put 1, 2 wallet plus 1 belt. This whole thing is how much? 144. Then we want to minus this one 54. No, we minus first. 144 minus 54. How much you get? You get 90. So what is 90? 90 is for these two wallets down here. This one is 90. Hold on, all right again. This one is 90. Oi. This I gotta repeat it. This one is 90. For two wallet. Now when they ask for average cost of what means they want to find one wallet divide by 2, 90 divided by 2. You get 45. And 45 is the very first one here. Okay. Average cost means what? What is the roughly the cost of wallet? You see, but for sure the wallet is 45, not sure. That's why they use word average cost. You never know. Maybe $1 is this wallet is $10, it's not $80. You don't know. But we use the word average. It could be 10, we do not know. Okay, we move on now. Pizza. Later I'll tell you a pizza story. Go. Please go. Mara, carry on. Not true, Mr. Putra. This is 1/4 remaining. You cannot just plus that. Result also, you're making that thing. Yes, eat all together. Not half plus 1/4. It's 1/4 remaining. You must find out how much is 1/4 remaining. It's not 1/4 of the whole pizza. Is that so? You got to check. I will draw for you in a moment. To show. What about Shalina? What about Syakil? Syakil nampak penat je Syakil. Shalina can do no Shalina? Shalina, you there? I'm sleepy. You sleepy as Shalina? Putra. Okay. We'll come to Izzat also have. Okay. You are writing that piece the daughter ate. Now you must plus with the son. Now in there go 1, 2, 3, 4 lah. Okay, video. Okay. Never mind, come. I'll show you guys. Okay, I draw a pizza first down here. This is the pizza. I'm trying to draw nicely lah. Good. The son eat what? The son eat half the pizza. Let's say half. No more pizza left. No more one whole. No, half is gone. So what is left? What is left is only this one here. This other half. And then daughter ate 1/4 of this. So 1/4 of this, what? You must divide to 4 parts. Four parts. What? 1/4 is yes, this one. Who eat this 1/4? Daughter. Daughter eat this, huh? But see, I thought 1/4 is like that. Yes, 1/4 like that if it's a whole. This one is got no more whole pizza, only remaining pizza. There's not the son go eat this half. So left with half lah. Then the daughter go eat 1/4 of the half. So it's 1/8 actually. So this one is not 1/4 of the remaining. This 1/4 of the whole. So how much they eat all together? Well, let us see. This side I can also cut, I want to cut like that. So I cut like that. So cut like that. So see, I can also cut like that. Can you all see? This whole thing is like one whole. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Whole thing is how many? 8. 5. 8. Go, Shafia, go. So what does it mean? You must look at what they say here lah. 1/4 doesn't always means this quarter and all of that. Must be always no. Okay. Let's say I say in 1/4 you tai idong. You think your tai idong is going to look like that? No, right? This is 1/4 the pizza. Your tai idong 1/4 you got to divide into 4 parts now. You know what I mean? Okay, you got to divide it into 4 parts. So then, if I have like that, you may ask, 1/4 how? You must divide to, you must divide into 4 parts. Let's say now you have like that. What is 1/4? You divide to 4 parts. One part of it. Okay, we move. Yes, Shafia. Maghrib. What is Maghrib? Okay, here we go now. I'm going to do Maghrib later, not now. Okay. No. This one, please. Figure is not drawn to scale. Find X. Go, Shafia, go. Izzat, are you okay? What you writing, Izzat? Hi. Well, hello, Izzat. Come, Izzat. Do some, hi. Do your work, come. Your exam is just 3 weeks, 2 weeks plus time now. Shelina, straight line, how many degrees? You know, right, Shelina, what to do? Your answer there, see whether you're correct. Huh? Okay. Let me just. Well done, Shelina. Yes, can use calculator, no problem. Can use calculator. Shelina, well done. What about the rest? Rest what is now you mean where you now you mean? Umara, come on, Umara can do so, Umara. Okay, we don't have much time, Umara. Remember, straight line is made up of 290 degrees. Well done, Izzat. Putra, sorry, it's not correct. Well done, Umaira. Congratulations. So this one and this one, how much is it? If you don't know, okay, I'm showing you step by step how to know. One straight line is what? How many degrees? This is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees. The whole thing is 180 degrees. Whole thing. Then take 180 minus 53 minus 87. You get 40 degrees. Okay? 180 minus 87 minus 53. You get 40 degrees. Oh, just learned today. Very good, Myra. Very good. All right. Volume. Volume. Come, try this.
Hello, hello.
Hello, Shafia. Come. Shafia. Remember, length times. Okay, again. All right, now you mean no problem. If you are eating, then the video is out, but yeah, you see me eating all the time. Sorry, Putra, answer is not correct. Sharina, answer is not correct. Come on, you know how to do this. Okay, I will show you how to remember. We have this triangle like that. Remember that? Volume. You remember? Length times breadth times height. If you want to find length, how to do? Okay, I'll show you now. No problem. If you want to find length, how to do? Remove the length. Then how to do? Oh, it's volume over breadth times height. Like that, remember not? I showed you this last time, this triangle. So now you want to find what? You want to find length, correct? This is length. So it equals to volume over breadth times height. Okay, so what's the volume? Volume is 720 divided by 8 times 5. How much do you get? Whatever you get is the answer now. You will get what? You will get 18 cm. I hope you get it. Okay. All right, we do go to the next one. Number 20, please. Cannot use calculator for this one, Safia, what are you doing, Safia? If your sister tell your sister not to do this, all right, we are this studying is a serious thing. Okay, come. Careful, sometimes it's with meters, sometimes not meters. I hope you understand what it is. Okay, Putra says that. You want your answer in meters, you know.
Hello, I'm Husna's cousin.
What is it? Who's it? Come. Come. You all know how to do now. Okay, you have a rope, I do not know whether you understand how to do this. Let's say the rope is down here. $22.5, but the rope is only 3/5 meters, you know. Oh, you want it in, and they want it in meters, you know. So it's not even 1 meter. Now we got to divide into 8 parts now. Okay, I do this so that you understand what they are saying. 8 parts. And then what happened? He used 5 parts. 5 parts. 2, 3, 4, 5. How many parts left? 3 parts left. But you cannot say 3 meters. No, you cannot. The whole thing is 3/5 meters. The whole thing is 3/5 meters. You see how to do? Okay. You want to find what? How much is left? There's 1, 2, 3 parts. You find 1 part first lah. 1 part is how much? See 1 part 3/5 divided by 8. You see why divided by 8? Because the whole thing is 3/5. There's 8 parts, so you can find like that. You find 1 part. There's a few ways of doing this question. So now you divide, change to times. Then what do you get? You cannot cancel. 3 times 1, 3. 5 times 8, 40. So this is now 1 part, 340 meters. How many parts you want to find? The left is 3 parts. 3 times 340. 3 times 3, 9 over 40. Okay, I know some of you are blurred, but you must be able to look at the steps, okay? I will give you another question now, okay? I give you another question now, you try to do. Here we go. Gerald had, let's say, 80 meters of rope. He used, that's not was how much? 5/8. 5/8 of it. This is similar now, but no, I'm not using fraction for the length of the rope. So how much rope is left? How much rope is left? You try. So now the whole thing is 80 meters. Same thing, you divide into 8 parts. 1, 2, 8 parts. You find 1 part. How much is 1 part? 1 part is 80 divided by 8. You get 10. Oh, this one is 10. This one is 10. This one is 10. This one is 10. And this one is 10. He used 5, 6, 5, 8 of them. Good. This one all used already. So you are left with how much? You are left with 3 parts. This one is 10. This one is 10. And this one is 10. So what is left? 30 is left. He used 50, Shalina. He used 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So what is left is 3, 8. He used 5, 8, so it must be left with 3, 8. 3, 8 times 80 gives you the answer. You will get 30. You can do the same thing in the other question. Other question, they change this to like that, 3/5. It's not a whole number. So just take 3, 8 times 3/5. You will get your answer. You will move back, we move back. Okay. I hope you get it, huh? But of course. Okay, this one maybe it's easier now. No, not this one.
I want to do that one.
No.
Which one? How to do that one? We're going to be tough to draw. Lah. You try 22 first, please. 22, then we try go backward. Okay. You must be careful. Know which part is a triangle. There's no triangle here. There is no triangle here. We're only talking about inside here. Shakil, where are you, Shakil? I'm suddenly very quiet now. Come, you only have 15 minutes left. Come on. Oh. Well, Shalina, let us see where you correct. Congratulations, Shalina. Well done. Very fast, no? She got it very fast. Come on, come on. Those of you who have forgotten the formula, half times base times height. Don't follow. Mr. Is that not correct? Half times base times height. Come on, your base is here. Your height is here. Half times 8 times height is how much? 8. Half of 8 is 4. You can cancel it. 4 times 8 is 32. So 32 square cm. All right, we move on now. Hey, everyone who turn off your video are really bad now. Number 23. Then I will start kicking out all those whose videos are off without reason. Let us see. Oh, Sunday come back. Shafia asked permission. Okay, Naomi is eating. Okay, oh, Naomi now back good. Who else? Come on, rest. Come on. Hey, you have only 15, 14 minutes left. Come on, come on. Read carefully, okay? What are they asking you for? Read carefully, Read carefully, okay? You see one pizza story, Okay, after this, okay lah. After this, I share the pizza story. Read this carefully, carefully. Or you're too tired here. Come on, come on, come on, try it. Are you all too tired? Is that too tired? Is that? No. Shakil, are you tired? I'm not even doing the sums. Shakil, why? 7, 7, 8. Allahu Akbar, cannot. Okay, I tell you the story, we come back to this. I had a student before. Last time I told you about this student before. Remember no? Okay, if you check my blog, this is there is this particular student. Which one? This one, this boy. I told you about this boy, right? This boy was very slow last time, very, very, very slow. Now he cannot remember. Last time we were slow, mentally slow. You cannot remember, no. So now and then he sent me something. His name, he sent me this old student. He sent me. He said, "Teacher, do you know? Look at the year. 1997." I taught him, and I got him an award. And I told him if he get the highest award, I will give him pizza lah. Because he has, I think, never tried pizza, I think, or very rare. So his timetable was so
How
fast.
can he not eat pizza?
This is the 90s, no? This 20 plus years ago.
Still, even they sell pizza at my school.
No, but 20 years ago, no. Now, yes, lah. This is, you look at the year 1997, 1996. At that time, Pizza Hut, I do not know whether it's halal even or not. So what happened was, so finally he hit the goal lah.
But
Okay.
Mr. Shahid,
Uh-huh.
if he is not Muslim, then why didn't he try Pizza Hut?
He
It
can,
also
but the parents don't know how to buy. They are not so modern that time lah.
Then why they never just go to the shop instead of buying online?
I ordered for him. Finally, I ordered. Maybe the parents didn't know how to order, or maybe they didn't want to
Isn't that
buy.
weird if they don't know how to order? They just look at the menu, pick, done.
You must go back in time. It's a different thing. So finally, he got pizza. He makan the whole thing. He was so happy. But I was so happy for him lah, because he's able to improve. You see, of course, some of you saying you buy for him pizza. Why don't you buy for us pizza? Can also. But yeah, we have to do this one first lah. Okay, maybe I buy your washing machine lah.
I
Yeah, washing
would
machine.
really need a washing machine.
At least your parents can save money. Let's see, who wants a washing machine? Putra wants a washing machine? Washing machine can do so many things, Do one washing machine lah. Aduh,
Oh, washing machine is useless for us.
Allah Akbar, then who wash all your clothes? Aduh.
Basically, our washing machine downstairs lah. We already got one. What we need to?
Okay, means you don't want washing machine lah.
The one.
Okay, good. Okay, then we do this one then. We
You
find
can
out
get
what's
us a lot of notebooks.
notebooks. You got so many notebooks behind you. There's a drum set, there's paper, there's pop-it,
This
so
got
many
nothing one.
things.
This one got nothing. See, I even designed it.
Wow. Okay, they ask you for the discount. Now, discount means the amount you don't need to pay. Is that the amount you don't need to pay? 600, he paid 630. Takkan the amount he don't need to pay is 700 plus. So
But
you
still
must,
need to pay GST, right?
but they didn't talk about GST here. So we assume there's no GST. We assume this. So down here like this. If the discount is 30%, how many percent did he pay? He pays 70%. 70% is $630. So what you need to buy $630? What is the discount? The discount is how much? 30%. Now because they give you 30%. So how much is this 30% in money? That's what they want to find. You can use your calculator for this one. Come. 加油, 加油, 加油. You can find even 1% you want to. You can find 1%. Say, I don't know how to find 1%. Can you do for me? Hey, please lah. I'm not the student taking the exam. What are you asking me to do? So you divide lah by 70. How much you get? 63 divided by 7, you get 9. 1% is $9. What is 30%? Times 9 lah, times 9. Come on. 3 times 9, 27. Add a 0, 270. Now in the end, I've done it for you lah. What happened? See, Shafia. Okay, so can you see? From here, you can get this. I have taught even the P6 and some of you P5, I think, the magic formula for percentage. You can do it in one step. You must always write it down like that. You see, like this. Okay, the answer 270. I will show you like that. There is a magic ratio number. Now, what you want to find? You want to find this question mark, like 30%, right? So what you want to find? You see 30% here. You want to find? You put the 30% here. And then this one must always be 1. Always be 1. This one is the 70 and 630. Do you write here or here? 70. If the top one is percentage, bottom must be percent. So write the 70 here. And then 630 here. You don't believe, you use your calculator, you will get the same answer. You see? 0. Cancel this one. 1. Divide by 7. Divide by 7 is 9. 3 times 90. 3 times 9, 27. Plus the 0. This is a fast method. This one is slow method, but easier to understand. Some fast method, but a little bit confusing. But once you know this, you are very fast. You say, I don't want a fast method, but you need to learn fast method. Right? Can't be all the time you are going slow method. If you want to get A for maths, you must know a little bit of fast method. Okay, we try next one. 24. 24. 24. So the purpose of telling you the best reward you will get.
Different question.
Different question. Oh, you want the earlier question? Okay, she wants the
What?
earlier. This one, this question, is it? This one. Is it?
Yes.
Okay, we try. Now, the purpose of telling you the best reward is not washing machine, it's not pizza. It's actually your happiness when you can get it done. That is the best reward. Some say, no, not true. I want to get chocolates and ice cream. And okay lah.
Can you zoom in?
Zoom in. Shafia, what is 13, Shafia? They're asking you which one is the correct, like that. Top view, front view, back view. 18. Someone has my name lah. Hey, that boy. How come you got my name? Even my name pun kau nak curi. Aduh.
What? Who? What?
Someone steal my name lah. I'm so sad. I want to tell my mother.
Later everybody will steal your name.
Why did you steal my name for? You're not a boy. Okay.
How would I know why would they steal your name?
Why? You want to?
I don't know.
Okay, Mr. Norizat, your answer is correct. Well done. Shafia, what's the answer you're giving? 13 to apa tu? You are counting the number of cubes. You're not reading the question. You must read the question. The question saying, is this now looking from front? This one is what, from where? Okay, well done, Syed Salim. Very good. Yeah, whoever stole my name, you've gotten the right answer. If you give the wrong answer, it'll be very bad. Come on. This one, what do you see? You must be able to imagine. I cannot imagine. Then you go and play with blocks. You know blocks now? Roblox. Top. Okay, I show you what is top like. On top now, we go on top here. What do we see? Why never mind? Top, you see like that, you know? You must imagine yourself going up now. You must imagine. So I go up, what do I see? I see like that. Why? There's only 2 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is top. This is top, you will see like this, Naomi. Top is like that. This is not top. Not top. Top is not. Front is not. It's actually side. You must see from this side. They even shade for you. Can you see? I draw this bottom one. 2 down here. Can you see there's 2 at the bottom? Above you see the black part, another 2. Can you see now? Then the top one is 1. Now maybe it's more difficult for girls to do this than boys. Maybe.
Yeah, true.
True. Is it true? Who said that? True.
My maths teacher say like
Mm,
when there's a cube or drawing like blocks, right?
mm.
The boys drawing will be much better than girls.
Girls. Okay, actually, okay. So I'll come to that in a moment. This is the answer lah, down here. Yeah? This one, this is side view. Now that thing is based on a book. Actually, this is for information. Okay, so that when you are growing up to become boys and men. No, sorry, you're going to grow up to become men and women, right? So you must know a little bit about yourself lah. Okay, can I show you something? Is it okay to show? There's this book. Okay, yeah. Actually, maybe you're too young to know this lah. But
No.
no, not too young. Okay. Down here, if you check, there's this book. It's called Why Men Don't Listen and Why Women Cannot Read Maps.
Serious?
Yeah, this book actually says that why women
Why
cannot read.
cannot listen?
Why cannot listen? So for women, they need to turn the map. And then for men, normally they are not listening. You tell them a problem, they want to go and solve the problem. They're not listening. So this book tells you the differences. So what's the difference? What's the difference? Women can do many things at one time. She can be on the phone with the baby, feeding the baby, ironing the clothes. Man can only do one thing at a time. If he's driving, example,
Watch handphone 24/7, and when the child asks for help, he say okay,
maybe,
later.
so he's focusing.
That's so false.
False.
Listen.
So when
Boy, I clean my house while listening to music.
okay, that's different. We give you an example proof. If you look,
I think the only thing boys can multitask is eat ice cream or watching handphone one.
Okay, down here you can check why are
That's the only
most
thing, right?
secretaries nowadays. We don't have secretaries a person who
secretary?
handle the office work, women. So they found out why is it? Because they can multitask. Men, if you ask them to become secretary, they're useless. The thing they can only do one thing at a time. Yes, that is why. Okay, the other thing about women is
You know what I just noticed?
but
That means
it does.
only yourself useless.
Yeah, no. I'm just giving it. I met that author, Alan Peace. I asked when he started telling me, I said, do you mean to say that women is better than men? He says, no, we are just different.
Oh, I thought you were gonna say yes.
So what happened? I did this experiment in tuition center last time. The women actually can see broader. For their eyes the same as ours, right? But they can see further. For the men, the view is like that. So because of that, when the men look at the woman, who look at other women, the wife always catch them. Hey, cheeky boy, cheeky man, stop looking at us. But the women, they might be staring straight at it, but they are observing, and they pretend as if they are not observing. The men don't know that they're observing. There are a few other things lah. One thing, I just give you one thing that is different is women got 3 times the number of words they need to speak in a day. So men only speak about 3,000 words. Women got to speak between 6 to 7 or 8,000 words. That's why they make very good preschool teachers. Most preschool teachers are women. Right? So if you find your mother nagging, father not nagging, your mother is just trying to finish up the words, the quota she need to finish in that day. Especially if she goes to work and her work is only writing, typing. Can you imagine? She have not spoken. No, she will explode. So you must just allow your mother to talk.
But my mother doesn't work.
But does she talk more than her dad? Does she? Yes. This is
My dad is on his phone.
this is also true of when girls they become better at languages at primary, going to secondary. Wow. And then the men, the boys, you ask them to speak, they cannot really speak that much. Your girls can read, speak a lot. This is just a development, a different.
That's
Not
sad.
say it's just a different, it's a different way. So, but later on, I'll tell you more. Okay, because I got to get out of this place. I think this place might be infested with a lot of JINNS. Okay, I cannot scream here. I won't come.
So fake.
So fake.
If you scream later, the FBI will come in.
I cannot scream anymore. Now I can't scream. I can only shout. All right then. You take care of yourself. Huh? Who can you the one? Hey, the one with my name. You can scream. You can still scream, right? You scream and show us how you scream as a boy.
What?
Yo, he's too shy lah. Okay lah. All right then.
My,
And at 7:30. I was not at home lah. Yeah.
wait, one of my cousin, a boy,
Yeah.
right? He can scream like a
Yes,
girl.
boys can scream and girl until they start to mature, and then suddenly the voice become hello. Now he can still scream. Izzat can scream.
You scream like a
Yeah,
girl.
it's okay. All of us are girls when we're young. Like we can scream. Okay, I gotta go now. Bye bye. Take care. See you next week.
Bye.